Welcome back. Some more pressure on the market, so it's a good time to get in the latest trends coming in from the F&O space. Mangalam is joining us with more insights on that. Mangalam.
Well, there is indeed some more pressure in the markets. In fact, from yesterday's high, the Nifty is corrected almost 300 points. So that's something we'll be watching out for. The Nifty Bank has been a bit of a, profit in a bit of a profit-taking mood over the last two trading sessions. Yesterday's market was supported a lot more by the IT index, which too is not seeing a follow-up rally. So all these factors not doing very well. The mid-cap index, however, hasn't fallen as much as the frontline index. So that's a positive. The only thing we'll have to watch out for, that the gap between the advances and declines doesn't widen further from what it is right now. Close to around 1,600 stocks in the red for about 1,000 stocks in the green right now. It is at its widest point, but, that not expanding further would provide some sort of support to the bulls. The other thing we'll watch out for, how the consumer stocks are reacting. Post inline numbers yesterday, HUL saw a flattish move. Today it's seeing a bit of a decline. We are seeing some sell-off in Colgate as well. Dabur too is seeing a bit of a sell-off. On hopes of recovery in the second half, do we at some point see some buying in these names or not, would be something that I will be tracking. But nothing really to worry about given the sort of fall that we've seen from the last two trading sessions, largely because of the rally that we've seen in the previous 5 days. So, despite the decline, the India VIX is fairly contained. It hasn't seen a sharp spike up. And secondly, the put-call ratio is moving towards the lower end of the range at around 0.84, which compares with at around 0.7, where, the market typically indicates oversold sort of zone. So that's all a positive, which tells you that between 25,700 to 25,750, we could see some support. Why do I say that? Over and above the data points that I've mentioned, because the 25,800 put writers, they're fairly active in today's trading session. For a premium for almost 60, 65 rupees or say 70 rupees as we speak, it's, indicating support around 25,720 thereabouts. And on the way up, however, we will face some congestion around that 26,000 mark, 26,000 to 26,050. That's largely because of the one sell-off that we've seen earlier. And at the same point, the call writing, which is visible at 25,900 and 26,000. A couple of stocks which are on my radar right now. Kotak is seeing some short building activity. And we are seeing Avenue Supermarts as well, which is lower in today's trading session so far. The only thing I'll be watching out for, apart from all of this, is Sammaan Capital. That stock in focus today after exiting F&O ban. Chances are it may re-enter F&O ban after the kind of move and open interest addition that it has seen.
The support levels are showing 25,783, the intraday low on the Nifty as of now, and it's been a 40-point jump from that.